Hi, I'm Skylar. Apple's 30-pin to VGA adapter, right here, couldn't be simpler to use. All you have to do is plug it into your phone, and then the other side, the VGA side, plug it into a projector or a monitor, whatever you really want to connect it to, even a TV. You can get it here from the Apple Store. I'm just looking at the Apple Store app right now. So obviously great product shots, reviews, and all that sort of stuff. As I said, it's really, really simple. All you have to do is plug it into one thing and plug it into another, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.